All right, we are now going to talk about task card number 10 because it's a very interesting one with larger denominators. So the first thing again would be to write it down on our answer document, and we need to compare them. Now, I want to go back to the idea of going back to half, okay? What is half of this denominator? So if I look immediately right here, 100, a half of 100 is 50. Well, I have 52, which means this is more than half. So I may make a note of that on this. This is more than half, okay? And then let's go and look at this one. So we notice that 29 is an odd number, and it's harder to maybe sometimes get half of 29, but think about this. If half of 28, okay, divided by half is 14, okay, half of 29, okay, will be 14 and a half. Okay, and if I follow that same pattern, half of 30 is 15. Well, half of 31 will be 15.5 or 15 and a half. Okay, so going back to this fraction, half of 29, well, let's go over here. Half of 29 is 14 and a half, 14.5, 14 and 5 tenths, okay? And this says we have 14. So have we reached half if we only have 14? We have not. We need 14 and a half. So this fraction would actually be less than half. So that's what I would write right here, less than half, okay? And so if this side is more than half and this side is less than half, then we can clearly see that 52 hundredths is greater than 14 29ths.